lalaking unggoy. Okay, sounds ha? Go. Ako, di ko alam kung mananalo ka, ha? Okay, syempre, ang isang kambing naman. Alright. Alright, syempre, sir, ang sama, sir. Alright, sample sang kalabaw. Okay, go. Ay, kaya syempre, ang lalaking mababa ang lipad. Okay, go. Siyempre, ang ating sound ng pusa ay ng happy birthday song na masarap. Pero bago yung ganun sana, meow, 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 meow. Bawa mo na, ha? Okay, go.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
Ay, siyempre, ang ating aso. Pero hindi nangalaka. Go. Art, 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 art. Art, art, art,